Welcome to this technical guide on the Acer N19H2. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Acer N19H2 is showing 0% battery even when it's plugged in, you're not alone. This common issue often occurs due to a faulty battery or charging port. If left unresolved, it could lead to further damage to your device or even complete failure to charge, leaving you without a functional laptop. To tackle this problem, you'll need a few tools: a small Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, and a replacement battery for the Acer N19H2. It's also helpful to have a soft cloth to protect your device's surface while you work. To start the repair, ensure your laptop is turned off and unplugged. Lay it on a flat, clean surface. Use the plastic opening tool to gently pry open the back cover, starting from one corner and working your way around. Be careful to avoid damaging any clips. Once you've removed the back cover, locate the battery. It will be a rectangular component usually secured by a few screws. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully unscrew these screws, keeping them in a safe place. Disconnect the battery connector by gently lifting it out of its socket. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, take your new battery and connect it in the same way the old one was attached. Ensure it sits firmly in place, then replace the screws to secure it. Reattach the back cover by aligning it properly and pressing it down until you hear the clip snap back into place, ensuring a snug fit. Finally, plug your laptop back in and turn it on. You should see the battery indicator showing a charging status. To prevent this issue from recurring, ensure you regularly check your charging cable for any damage and avoid leaving your laptop plugged in for prolonged periods without use. Keeping your device clean from dust can also help maintain the battery's health. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.